Gentlemen, so first of all, thanks for taking some time out of your crazy, hectic day to meet with me once again. But why don't you guys introduce yourself? Tell me a little bit about your location, your establishment, and what you guys do.
I'm Anthony Stabile here at Veneto Pizza in East Norriton. Sitting here with my cousin.
I'm Joe Stabile, Veneto Pizza. We're located at 2688 DeKalb Pike in East Norriton.
Awesome. Yeah, you guys are in the, what's the name of the shopping center you guys are in?
It's DeKalb Plaza.
Right, yeah, right next to, forget, the new place,
Right
the bouncy place they just opened up.
Right next to Urban Air.
Yeah. So, so you guys for years, man, have been serving the community. I mean, you guys are somewhat of a household name in the Norristown area. And, you know, obviously making some phenomenal pies and stuff like that. But tell me a little bit, you know, beyond that, beyond the pies, you guys also have some other things going on.
Yeah, we do the whole Italian ice, which we actually, for a couple of weeks there when all this first started, giving out a free medium water ice and a free large water ice to everybody that was coming in to help us support, keeping us around. And you spent so much, we gave out some water ice just to say thank you to the community for coming in and supporting us.
Yeah, absolutely.
We have a trailer coming, a canned food drive trailer coming to our parking lot. He's collecting all canned goods for families in need. And
when is that? And I'm gonna, just so you know, this, it's Friday the 3rd, just for everybody watching this video. When is that can drive? And if someone were to see this in time, how could they participate?
The can drive is going to be at 3 o'clock this afternoon until, I guess, whatever time he's staying till. He should be here for a few hours.
Sure.
I'm hoping during our dinner rush so we can collect as many canned goods as we can.
Yeah. And so right now, the gentleman that's coming, is he looking specifically for canned goods? Is there anything else? You know, again, I'm throwing this out there, but, you know, people laugh when they say that, you know, you can't get toilet paper on the shelves. Someone like me who has a heart, who has maybe a little bit extra toilet paper, you know, is there anything else that people could provide if they wanted to be generous?
Non-perishable items.
Okay, all non-perishable items that are sealed up and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yep, yeah. Awesome. And that's going to be right at your location today?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me a little bit more about, you know, what's going on with you guys right now. Obviously, the doors are closed. You guys just have, is it takeout service, delivery? Kind of what are you guys doing right now to keep those plates moving?
We're doing takeout. We're doing curbside, allowing so many people to come into the shop at one time, so people do keep their social distancing. Call up. When we answer the phone, would you like curbside or pick up? Whatever you prefer. We'll bring it out to your car. I got runners here, a couple of my wait staff to give us a hand on their free time to help us out, to do whatever we got to do.
Yeah. I've noticed that there's been an influx in like these third-party delivery services. Have you guys got connected with any, not to mention any names or anything like that, but have you guys gotten connected with any of them or anything like that?
No, not really. At this time. No.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's just, hey, listen, man, just wanted to at least ask the question. So if someone was watching this and they wanted to know what the options were, they at least had an idea. So outside of that, man, how's the staff holding up? I know that this is just a trying time for everyone right now. And you guys have, like I said, you have a huge operation. You got the pizzas, you got, you know, pastas, you got everything going. How's that? How else is everyone over at Via Veneto's holding up?
For the most part, pretty good. You know, we're hurting. All my guys understand. Everybody behind the counter that are still working, they understand if they got to lose a couple hours here and there. We don't demand them. They volunteer. We'll take an extra half a day here, a half a day there, extra full day here. So everybody
appreciate that they still have a job, though.
Yeah. Everybody has skin in the game right now, man, you know, and you know, one thing about you guys, you've always been very loyal, very genuine, and everyone knows that. So I'm sure everything will work out there. Do me a favor, for someone watching this right now, and they say, you know what, I'm going to be in the Norristown area tomorrow or whatever. What's the message? What do you want to say to them? If they say they want to support, what's the best thing that they could do right now? Is it come in and order a pie, or do you have Via Veneto t-shirts that someone could purchase if they wanted to? Give me an idea.
Stop in, grab some food, feed the family. It helps everybody out. It helps my employees. It helps us out. It helps the family out. They're actually getting something good to eat. Number one.
Yeah.
We do have t-shirts. You want a t-shirt? We do sell t-shirts. Right now we're limited because of not being able to get anything made up, but we do have some in stock.
We're also getting toward the water ice season. You know, grab a water ice. It's going to get warmer out this week, so
yeah.
stop and grab a water ice.
Not only is the pizza phenomenal, speaking of which, Nicole, my wife, as you know, has been asking, we're probably going to be ordering a Sicilian pie. So we'll probably also grab some water ice and all that good stuff too. So gentlemen, man, again, I know you guys are both busy. I know things are definitely different right now. Is there anything else that you wanted to add before I let you gentlemen go and enjoy the rest of your day?
Be patient with us. Friday nights, they get crazy. People can't get through on the phone lines. Just give us extra time. Just spread it. Instead of just coming on a Friday night, spread it throughout the week.
Yeah.
Give other people a chance to come in on a Friday night, because if it's too crazy, spread it out throughout the week. Pizza freezes well. If you get a pizza on a Monday, throw it in the freezer. You can have it on a Thursday or Friday. You know, spread it through different days to allow everybody else to come in and get the phone calls through and stuff. Just please be patient.
That's a great message, man. You know, I've been doing a lot of these interviews over the last few days, and I can almost sense some of the frustration for multiple reasons, right? You know, this is a moving target, and when you run a business and you're trying to figure that out, there's a lot of frustration that comes with that. But that was a great message, man, and I don't think I heard that from any of the other ones, and it makes perfect sense, right? Everybody thinks Friday night. It's funny, Nicole and I had the same conversation, which is why we're talking about the pie. And I'm going to do just that. I'm going to have that conversation with her. We're not going to order it tonight. We're going to order it one day next week. I promise you guys that. But that's a really good message, man. And I'll make sure to get that word out.
Even for the other restaurants, spread it out.
Yeah.
We're open 7 days.
Local businesses. You know, the big guys they're going to be around. They're going to make it through this, but you know.
Yep.
I know it's important to support the local businesses.
I know my day off, me and my wife order takeout. I support all the other little local businesses in the area. I always have. I will continue. They're all of our customers that come in here. I go and support them everywhere else.
Absolutely, man. It's community, right? You know, we're forced to realize the value in community. You know, and hopefully people see that although this is a very negative and grim situation, that something positive is going to come out of this. And it's relationships and understanding that we as a community can come together and support each other. It's going to be tough. It's not going to be pretty, but this is the time, like you said, Joe, this is the time to support the small businesses, the people who put love into every pie, into every scoop of water ice, and who actually know your name, right? You guys know my name. I know every time I come in your establishment, you guys are connecting with your family, your clientele, you know, so.
Our clientele is our family for years.
Absolutely.
It's
absolutely.
Like Cheers. Everybody knows your name. You know,
absolutely.
And it's a nice place. It's awesome.
Yeah. Joe, anything else you want to add, buddy?
No, that's it.
Well, listen, man, again, I wish you guys both the best, all of you, the whole Via Veneto's family, the best. I will, as I mentioned, keep my word, come in, get some of that water ice and a pie. I'm actually thinking about getting some pies for Einstein, just, you know, several pies. So I will.
Yeah, there's been many people like ordering pizzas and things for the hospitals, you know, nurses, doctors' offices, you know, things like that to help them out.
So let's add that into this message then. Anybody else watching this who wants to find a way to help, and if you are in position to help, this is a great way. Think about the first responders.
I know many places in the area have done it. You know, donated pizzas and somebody's coming around, picking them up, delivering them to, you know, Suburban, Einstein, Chop, you know, places like that.
I love it.
To help their staff out.
I love it. And again, it's helping a small business. It's feeding the people who don't have the time to step away from the people who are in need. So stuff like that, man, I absolutely love. And as I mentioned, that's something that we're working on. So I will get with you gentlemen next week, one day during the week, and I'll make that happen.
All right.
Perfect. I just want to say,
gentlemen, you're welcome. Stay well, stay healthy. I'll talk to you both soon.
You as well.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.